Hey folks, Harley Day Rider here. Once again, your good old friend HDR on his 2018 Road Glide Ultra with Henry on his Fat Boy, Harley Davidson Fat Boy. And we're here, actually, I showed you this place in a few videos. This is the bullpen, and it is just packed today. So it is truly packed up today with bikes. You can see we're parked all the way up here by this trestle, which never happens. It's awesome though. They're having a battle of the bands today, and we are taking a ride presently. Hello? We're taking a ride up to Cross Creek Park, where we've had you guys many times up there. Alright, so we are on the Sennas, and we're going to take a ride up the hill here. We've been riding throughout the day today. We've been doing fairly good. About 60 miles on the old clock. So just been kind of hanging out and having a good day. Alright, buddy. We have been everywhere. Now you're ready to rock. You ready? And we're off. So we're going to take a ride up here to Cross Creek Park. Let me get my glove fastened. Look at that. What the heck? Yeah, a lot of big bass in this lake. I should have put my sweatshirt on. It's pretty cold once you get in this shade. One biker. Hi, bud. I think he got one on his line down there. I'm going to turn around on you here. Got enough room? Hey folks, I think it's on. Nope. Hold it. Oh yeah, you're on. Hello? Hold on, wait. There it is. There we go. I gotta wash this thing sometime. Right here, look at the dust. Look. It's nice that it hides it though. What's that? Oh, the Derby cover. Now I'm gonna have to stop and get gas, I think, before I go home, maybe. Somewhere over the rainbow. I always come down here and think if I pop the clutch, go right into the lake. That would make a nice video. Your camera. I don't think I could do this. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It goes alright. Yeah, but the way this front end is cut, I'm pretty impressed because it's like you're riding a Road King. You know, you don't even notice that fairing really. Oh, really? Dude, we gotta go between those. Get away. Yeah, let's see how many people are still at the bullpen here. Oh, they're still parked all the way up here still. Oh, yeah, drinking's important. I said I'd like to just have the money and accessories on these bikes. That's all. Just the accessories. No, right. You want to go straight? That's a nice road too. I was just up here yesterday. Yeah. All right, buddy. Take care. I'll talk to you later. All right. All right, folks. Another great ride there once again with my buddy Henry. Spent the day riding together. We did about, we spent a good quality time together. I think that's what biking's about also. Not just how many miles you do, but also about just being out with your friends, and kind of hanging out. Had a good day there. Had some lunch together and went to the, as you've seen, the bullpen. Had a beer together and just one. And we boogied out of there, so. But again, thanks for watching the videos. I do appreciate everybody, each and every subscriber out there and viewer. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that little subscribe button. Don't forget, you can also follow our adventures on our Facebook page at Harley Day Rider. Again, just click the like button on there and you can follow along. Whenever we post anything up there, you'll know firsthand what's coming up and going down. So remember, folks, ride your own ride. Be safe out there. We'll talk to you next time. Harley Day Riders will be down and out once again in the lovely southwestern Pennsylvania. Bye-bye for now.